Hello everyone. Now I'm going to show you how ticket uh, is work. To reach ticket section, click on a tickets icon from left side navigation, and here you can see the view tickets, add tickets, and ticket response link. Just click on a view tickets. Here you can see the listing of all tickets. We have included it ticket subject, ticket categories, and assign users name, uh, priorities, tickets current status, and the created date of ticket. Here, if you want to search any ticket, then just type ticket name and press enter. You can see the listing of based on your search text. If you want to add new ticket, then just click on add new button, and here you can see the patch customer records field. Just type the customer name like Jacob, and click on the list, and here you can see the customers information like customer IDs has three, customer name is Jacob, customer phone number, customer email, customer locality, products, uh, which we have defined in from admin sections, means define products listing here, and the category listing. Currently I am selecting PS3 product, and hardware categories. Subject name is test subject for PS3 products, test DSC for PS3 product, and select priorities, high, normal, or low. Then submit. Now back to ticket page, view ticket page. Here you can see last added ticket, which is belongs in hardware categories, and the subject of ticket, priorities, status, created date. Here we have defined all category list here, and total number of tickets belongs to belongs to that categories. If you want to see tickets which is belongs in computer and laptop categories, then just click on this button, and you get a listing of all tickets which are belongs in computer and laptop categories. If you want to see in from mobile category, then just click on this tab, and you get all the listing of tickets belongs in mobile categories. If you want to see tickets from hardware categories, then just click on hardware button. You will get the list of all tickets whose belongs which are belongs in hardware categories, and all tickets. If you want to see open status wise tickets, like how many tickets belongs in open status, in closed status, in process status, and total number of tickets. If you want to see only open tickets, then just click on this open icon, which we have defined from at right hand side. I click on this open icon, and you can see the listing of all open tickets. If you want to see in process tickets, then just click on this in process icon. You will get the list of all in process tickets list over here, and the total number of tickets. Now I'm going to show you different types of operation which we have defined for these tickets. If you want to here, just click on this icon, this checkbox, and you will get the little pop-up over here with a different type of with different types of actions. If you want to delete this ticket, then just click on delete button. If you want to close this, then just click on this close button. If you want to change priorities, then just click on a priorities, and you will get the list of all priorities, and just click on change priority icon button, and you will able to change the priority of this ticket. If you want to change category, then just click on this and uh, select any categories from the list and click on this button. You will get the selected categories listing, selected categories here. If you want to assign user, or if you want to assign this ticket to client user, then just click on assign users icon, and here you will get all users whose belongs all agencies user listing over here, right? And just press on this assign users button, and it will redirect on email page. uh, I'm showing you, just a minute. Assign users, and type assign users name test, assign users here. uh, from admin we have defined different email template. Just type email template name, like mail to agencies. Here you will get the listing of all defined email templates. This is the position related issues, so don't worry, we will resolve it. Here you can see that defile templates subject name and defile templates body here. If you want to modify it, then just click on it and modify as you want, and just type anything, uh, user, and just send. It will send email to this uh, that user which we have which is belongs in agencies which we have selected in from this assign users areas. And the agency users will get that the links of our uh, CHM software, and they can download this Excel file from it. And the Excel file format is like something like you can see the Excel file format here, like serial number, ticket ID, subject, descriptions, priorities, ticket priorities, customer's name, product IDs, product descriptions, manufacturers, model number, and the warranty period of the particular product, and the here response. These two columns are blank for agency users, and they will modify it based on ticket response. And just here I am just typing test, just modified by test 1, so you will get test 2, test 3, and test 4. And agency users have to define the current status of ticket. Means if ticket is closed, then just type 0. If ticket is in process, then type 2. That's this is in ticket section. I will show you how ticket will respond and how agency user will respond to ticket in next videos. Thank you.